G'day cocktail lovers, continuing my alcohol-free week, going to do another milk clarified mocktail. This idea originally came from chatting with some of the other YouTube bartenders, and when I mentioned I was sick and couldn't drink alcohol, Vino from 60 Second Cocktails said, why not a penicillin with actual penicillin? Well, I can't do that, but I thought I could do something inspired by those ginger flavours in the penicillin and make it non-alcoholic. I had a ginger syrup, and then I actually went out and got a special juice because I hadn't decided what juice base I was going to use in, and then I found this. One of those all-natural ones. It's carrot, apple, orange and ginger. So the ginger goes along with the ginger syrup I was going to use. So I thought this will be my base, and I'm going to use some of the spiced tea I have left from my previous mocktail, and let's have a look at what comes together. I made enough for a couple of drinks, and I started with 120 mils of my spiced tea. Then I added 180 mils of the fruit juice. Then I put in 90 mils of ginger syrup. And finally I added 30 mils of lime juice. I added all of this to about 100 mils of milk and gave it a little bit of a gentle stir, and then left it aside for a while till we got that separation we're looking for. The curds have formed, and then I poured that through a wetted paper coffee filter. Usual tip I give if you've never seen me make a clarified cocktail before, it's the curds that do the heavy work of the clarifying, not the actual filter. It just holds the curds in place. So the first bit that goes through is often not clear, it's a little bit cloudy. You let it settle for a bit, and then that first amount, put it back through, or alternatively, put all of it through more than once. It even came out looking a bit like a clarified whiskey drink. Definitely warranted some clear ice pouring over it in the rocks glass. Time for a taste test. It's very light. Ooh, the ginger comes through late. I actually did a taste of the curds before I actually chucked them out, and they were very gingery. The curds absorbed a lot of the ginger flavour, but it's still in there. It comes in really late, and all those other flavours from the spiced tea and the juices. This is really refreshing, but much like my last mocktail, it's a little sweet, so I'm going to try it in a highball with some soda water. So we get a tall glass, put some ice in there, pour in some of our clarified Penicillin Mocktail, and top it with soda water. We use our straw to stir that to get it all mixed in. And here we have our Penicillin Mocktail highball. I'm going to give that a taste. Ooh, yeah, no, this is it again. Both of these, they're fine as is, if a little sweet, but they really are improved by adding some soda water to them. I'm really enjoying these. Who says I can't have fun when I'm not allowed to drink alcohol? I can come up with creative ideas rather than just having like cordial like sugar water. This has got quite a bit of varying tastes in it. It's really interesting. Definitely recommend you give it a go. I'll be back on the booze soon. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, I'll just say cheers.